software for migrate OLM files to Office 365. And are you searching for a trusted solution online? Corbett Software OLM to Office 365 Migrator Wizard, perfect tool to bulk migrate all mail client OLM files to Office 365. Now let's check out the main features of this tool. Bulk OLM files to Office 365 migration at once. Transfer emails along with attachments and all attributes. Advanced search option to migrate selective OLM files. Maintains 100% data integrity of the migrated files. Install and run the tool to check out its working process. Simple and user-friendly UI is a major feature of this standalone tool. Click on Open tab and choose drop-down option. Select Email Data Files option. Then select Outlook for Mac OLM Files option from showing pop-up window. Now select Choose from a folder option. Now pick your OLM files from your system. Then click on Open button. The software is analyzing files and folders from your selected OLM file. You can enable the Compact View button to view the important folder for migrating process. Select your OLM files folder from left side menu pane to load your emails. Click Emails to get message preview. The tool provides you with many useful tabs such as content that lets you see the full body content of the email message. Select Properties option for you see the additional information and other details of a selected email message. Message header helps you view the detailed routing information of the message, such as sender recipient date, subject, and more. The hex view lets you see hexadecimal digit of an email message. Raw message preview for you can see selected email in raw message file format. As you can see, there is a search option that is called Quick Search. It searches keywords within the emails. Now enter a keyword in the search bar and press Enter button for search. And you will see the result highlighted in yellow color. It's time to introduce one of the most beneficial features of the tool, Advanced Search. It finds information within the email. You can search in all fields like calendar and date, range, and more. Now pick the emails field you want to search information from, such name, subject to, CC, content and more. Click here to close Advanced Search option. Now go to the Export tab and choose Office 365 option from drop-down menu. Now mark the required folder and unmark the rest folder as per your requirement. Now let's understand the advanced functions, the tool one by one. First is Create Empty Folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. Next is an Include Email Header. We recommend you disable this. The last option is Append into Default Folder. Apply these advanced options as per your requirement. Now enter your Office 365 account's email address and password. Finally, go to Save button and see the live process of OLM files migration in Office 365. After migration is done, click on Open Outlook Mail option to view the output. Now sign in your Outlook account. Go to left menu pane and explore the exported folder, and then select your migrated folder to check your migrated emails. Then click on Any Mail to check your mail preview. Thanks for watching.